So, welcome back. We received yet another question. Hey Michael, who invented the first credit card? So, the first credit card was invented by John Briggs. It was the first bank issued card and it was invented in 1946. Frank worked at Flatbush National Bank of New York. The card was called Charge It and it was only available for customers of the bank and it could only be used locally. But in 1950, Frank McNamara created the Diners Club card. The story goes that Frank forgot his wallet, and that was the reason for the birth of the Diners Club card. They grew rapidly, so within the first year, they grew from 0 to 42,000 club members. And by 1959, they reached the 1 million club members.